Alright, get up or ask and die. Really? Get up or ask and die. I need choice, I'm gonna sound around time. Let's go into over here. Really damn choice around time. It's got a trouble. Shut up. Why are you being coding? What are you being coding? Stop it. Okay. Really? Last warning. Get up, ass. You have any choice? Oh my god. Alright. Oh no. Damn you. Why being recording me? Just damn working. You tired? No. Ah! Are you tired? Oh my god, it's my phone. Are you care? Do the fucking internet to do something. Look, should you take my phone? Why you get phone in the first place? I was help you doing nothing. And for you, this goddamn Chorlins. Really? No. Why'd you stop? That's a fucking Chorlins. Stop. Get out to do something. Get out so you can die. No, now. How much you're gonna break my phone? Hey, Snap was gonna break it. No, spike it. Stop, I'm gonna break it. Ow! Fucking bro! Oh my god, let's meet some twice. Go. Joyce, let's go. So, I'm going to write that George and Joy this is here like that. This is sort of like that. So young. Ha! Right, don't shut up, man. No, shut up. Yes, so just it. Oh, guess on the phone now. Shut up. Ow. Shut up. Oh, you shut up. Oh, I gotta go. Oh, let's go. Let's get that friend. Hey, you would knock it off. Go back now. Hey, my phone.